Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about very important topic in Excel, how to fill data automatically and how to use autofill option in Excel and how to fill data automatically by using the shortcut key in Excel. So let's get started. So first of all we have serial number, day, sales, profit. So what you have to do, just type Monday here, Monday and Tuesday, and just select these two cells and just uh, drag it down and it will fill the these values. Okay, and or you can change the options you want in the autofill option. So suppose you want to fill only formatting, so it will only fill the format only. So we want to fill the days, then we will use this. And if we want to add the sales like 200, 250, and you want to fill the values here as well, just select these two values and click on this icon and drag it down. So it will fill the values. And similarly here, if we have the profit, so if I want to multiply by it 25% and just click on this and double click on this option, and it will fill the formula in remaining cells. And here if I want to fill the serial numbers, so just type in 1 and we will use shortcut key here to fill the numbers. Just select the area where you want to fill the serial numbers and alt EIS, and this series dialog box will open here, and just click OK. It will fill the numbers. Let me just tell you again this. Just Control Z and select the area where you want to fill, and alt EIS and OK. So let me just type in here alt EIS for the autofill. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.